In this video, we will do the unboxing of PlanetWatch's most premium sensor, the Type 1 Airqino. We will look at what's in the box, the specs, how much power it consumes, and how much you can earn with it. Coming right up. We will start, of course, with the unboxing of the air quality sensor. As you can see, the box in which it comes is not fancy because this device is not meant for consumers. It's a scientific tool, so it doesn't have a fancy consumer box. Opening it, we see the screws and the accessories. You can use them to attach the Airqino to a pole or to a wall. Then we have the power adapter and the special IP44 connector, the power brick outlet connector, and this is a 2-pin one, and the manual. And as you can see, here is the sensor itself. It comes attached to a metal bracket and it has a 9 meter or 374 inch flat cable that ends to an IP44 connector. Here is something that you might want to know. Out of the box, you can mount this using what we have provided to a pole that has the maximum diameter of 55 millimeters or 2.1 inches. If you want to mount it on a wall, you will need an 8mm hole. Also, that connector is about 18mm wide, so you will need to drill a hole of about 20mm or 0.78 inches in order to feed the cable through the wall. Right now, let's admire this beast. It has a height of 220 millimeters or 8.6 inches and a length of 210 millimeters or 8.2 inches. It weighs 900 grams or 31.7 ounces. It uses a built-in SIM card in order to connect to the internet, so no Bluetooth or Wi-Fi needed. And here is another fun part. It consumes only 3.5 watts. And thanks to Feather, and shout out to him for this, we will have the math. It will use electricity of about $3 in US or 8 euros in Europe per year. This is based on average residential rates. There is no comparison between this and an ASIC miner, let's say, in the energy consumption category. So Airqino is also eco-friendly in this department. This air quality station has the PM10 sensor. This will measure, roughly speaking, smoke and dust. It also has the PM2.5 sensor. This one will measure dust, car exhaust, pollen, fine dust, smoke and industrial pollution. Going into the gas sensors area, this device has the nitrogen dioxide, ozone and carbon monoxide sensors. It also features an air temperature and humidity sensors. As you can see, quite a beast. So what is so special about Airqino? Well, like I said, this is not a consumer grade device. It's been designed and it's manufactured by an Italian research institute. It has a verifiable track record of successful installations and operations in the last 7 years. It was deployed in the North Pole in a study 4 years ago, and those Airqinos are still functional today. And it has been confirmed by the European Commission's Joint Research Center that this is one of the best and most robust outdoor air quality sensors in the sub 5,000 euros price range. Now what about earnings? If you go to map.planetwatch.io and search your location, then zoom in until you see the grid. If any pixels have a color, that means that there is a sensor already placed in that area. Hitting the Tier 1 button, we will see all the locations that are Tier 1 in purple. The rest are of course Tier 2 locations. Going at the max reward of 133 planets per day in Tier 1 and 66 planets per day in Tier 2. Now, if you look at the current price of the token, which is 28 cents, that translates to $1,117 per month for Tier 1 locations. and half of that, so $558 in a tier 2 location. That is awesome. Now be sure there aren't any type 1 sensors in the pixel that you want to deploy yours, otherwise you will earn only 10% of that. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, see ya!